Welcome students for haloalkenes and haloarenes part 6. In this video we shall study about chemical properties of haloarenes, nucleophilic substitution reactions of chlorobenzene, electrophilic substitution reactions, that is halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. Let us study first chemical properties of haloarenes. Aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions, and it is due to the resonance effect. In case of haloarenes, the electron pairs on halogen atoms are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the ring. Thus student, each of the halogen atom which is known to you, it is having 3 pairs of non-bonding electrons, and these electrons are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the aromatic ring. The carbon-chlorine bond in haloarenes are partial double bond character. As a result, the bond cleavage in haloarenes is difficult compared to the haloalkanes, and hence student, alkyl halides are relatively less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Let us understand this by resonating structures of chlorobenzene. In the first structure student, you can see the carbon and the chlorine single bond, whereas the chlorine atom is having 6 electrons or 3 pairs of the electrons which are non-bonding electrons. One of the pair of electron can be given towards the benzene ring. As a result, delocalization of the pi electrons results in the benzene ring. Thus student, both ortho and the para position are electron rich. It is positive resonance effect. With this student, you can observe that carbon and halogen single bond, it can represent partial double bond character also in its resonating structures. Thus, cleavage of this double bond is very difficult if we compare the cleavage of carbon and the halogen single bond in case of alkyl halide. Example student, methyl chloride CH3Cl. That single bond can be very easily lysed. And student, the second reason for less reactivity of haloarenes is due to difference in hybridization of carbon atom in carbon-halogen bond. In this case, in haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, while student, in haloarenes, example chlorobenzene, it is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Next student, sp2 hybridized carbon atom is more electronegative when compared to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of haloalkanes. Let us understand this by the structure. In haloarene molecule, the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached student, it is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and it is more electronegative. Whereas student, if you consider haloalkane molecule, then in this case the carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached, it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and it is less electronegative in nature. And the reason for this, student, is the halogen can very easily draw the shared pair of electrons towards itself. So carbon atom would be less electronegative, whereas in this case, student, that is haloarene molecule, electron density is moving towards the benzene ring from the halogen. As a result, the carbon atom sp2 hybridized, it is more electronegative. Hence, student, in haloarenes, the carbon halogen bond is more strongly held by the carbon atom due to its double bond character. Already this point we have accounted in the resonance structure of chlorobenzene, and because of this the cleavage of the carbon halogen bond in haloarenes is more difficult. Next, student, the third reason, benzene ring is electron rich, so nucleophile cannot attack it easily due to the repulsion. As students, you are knowing nucleophile is an electron rich species, whereas benzene ring is also an electron rich molecule. As a result, electron repel each other. So benzene ring is electron rich, so the nucleophile can't easily attack due to the repulsion. Moving to the next one, reactions of haloarenes. The first one, student, we shall study about nucleophilic substitution reaction, and in this we shall study about replacement of hydroxyl group, and this process is called as Dow's process. Let us consider an equation when chlorobenzene is reacted with aqueous sodium hydroxide, student, then we know that sodium hydroxide dissociates to form the nucleophile as OH minus. This would be substituting the Cl from the benzene ring. As a result, we get chlorobenzene and Cl minus, student, which is replaced. It combines with the sodium to form NaCl. Thus, when chlorobenzene is heated with aqueous sodium hydroxide at a temperature of about 223 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, sodium phenate is formed, which on acidification gives phenol. So students, in the first step we get sodium phenate, that is benzene ring O minus Na plus. It is a sodium salt of phenol, and this sodium phenate or sodium salt of phenol, if you acidify, then we get phenol molecule. Next, students, the presence of an electron withdrawing group such as nitro group at ortho and para position increases the reactivity of haloarenes. So let us understand this along with an equation. The molecule, student, is para-nitro-chlorobenzene. Para-nitro-chlorobenzene molecule, when reacted in the first step with sodium hydroxide, now the temperature, student, 443 Kelvin is used. If you remember, earlier the temperature was required at 623 Kelvin along with 300 atmospheric pressure. In this case, student, if at the para position nitro group is there, that is electron withdrawing group at the para position with respect to the chlorine atom, then we require mild condition, that is 443 Kelvin as the temperature. We get para nitro phenol as the molecule. In the first step, student, when you react sodium hydroxide to para nitro chlorobenzene, then you are getting sodium phenate or sodium salt of para nitro phenol. And later, second step is the acidification. So if you acidify sodium phenate, then you are getting para nitro phenol molecule. Now students, let us have one more molecule in which both at ortho and the para position electron withdrawing groups are present, that is nitro group, and the molecule name, student, as you know, 2,4-dinitro-chlorobenzene molecule. And in this case, student, if you react it with aqueous sodium hydroxide, now the temperature is still lowered. That is, earlier with the para nitro chlorobenzene, the temperature required was 443 Kelvin. But student, when we add one more nitro group at the ortho position, the temperature is again decreasing. This explains you about reactivity of the molecule. Reactant molecule is increasing with the addition of electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para position. So students, in the first step we get sodium salt of 2,4-dinitro-chlorobenzene, and in the second step, if you acidify it with HCl molecule, then we get 2,4-dinitrophenol as the product. Next student, at sixth position, if we place one more nitro group, then let's see what is the reaction condition. The molecule name, student, as you know, it is 2,4,6-trinitro-chlorobenzene. With this molecule, student, warm water is sufficient without addition of a base and the high temperature. At warm water itself, the conversion of 2,4,6-trinitro-chlorobenzene to 2,4,6-trinitrophenol occurs. In common name, it is called as picric acid. So students, as we increase the nitro group at both ortho and the para, that is at second, fourth and at the sixth position, 3 nitro groups, then the reactivity of the molecule drastically increases. Thus, at warm water itself, the reaction would be occurring, giving 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, that is the picric acid. Next students, we shall study now about electrophilic substitution reactions. In case of haloarine molecule, students, already the resonating structures has been explained to you. Halogen atom, which is having 6 electrons or else 3 pairs of electrons, one pair of the electron is given towards the benzene ring. As a result, delocalization of the pi electrons from benzene molecule occurs. And students, this makes both ortho and the para position of the benzene ring electron rich. Both ortho and the para position are electron rich. And also you can observe that carbon halogen single bond is getting converted into partial the double bond character. Thus students, we can conclude that the halogen atom is ortho and para directing in nature, and therefore the substitution takes place exclusively at ortho and para positions, giving electrophilic substitution reactions. As ortho and the para positions are electron rich, the incoming electrophiles, which are electron deficient species, they would be bonding at ortho and para positions. Next students, the electron density is relatively more at ortho and the para position due to resonating structure and delocalization of the pi electrons. The incoming electrophile is more likely to attack at these positions, that is at ortho position and at para positions. Next students, we shall now study about an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, that is halogenation reaction. Chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of iron or ferric chloride to form a mixture of both ortho and para isomers. Let us consider reaction when 2 moles of chlorobenzene is combined with chlorine molecule either in the presence of iron student or else ferric chloride. We get both the products ortho substituted and para substituted. And the first product student, it is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, or it is a ortho dichlorobenzene. And the second molecule student is a para substituted, it is called as 1,4-dichlorobenzene or para dichlorobenzene molecule. Along with this, the formation of HCl molecule. And students, if you compare both the isomers, we get larger yield for 1,4-dichlorobenzene. It is a major product. And the reason for this student is the para position is much electron rich compared to that of the ortho position. And the second reaction student is the nitration when chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a mixture of ortho and para isomers. In this case student, you need to remember concentrated nitric acid along with concentrated sulfuric acid, it is called as nitrating mixture. So in this case, we are getting a mixture of both ortho and para isomers. Now let us consider equation when chlorobenzene molecule is treated with concentrated nitric acid, which can be written as HONO2 along with concentrated sulfuric acid, and on heating students, it gives us ortho-nitrochlorobenzene or 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene as a minor compound, and students 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, or it can also be called as para-nitrochlorobenzene with the formation of water molecule. And in this case student, we are getting para-nitrochlorobenzene as a major product, whereas ortho-nitrochlorobenzene as a minor product. Third type of reaction is the sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation occurs when chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to form para and ortho isomers. Let us understand this along with an equation. Let us understand this along with a reaction when chlorobenzene student is made to react with concentrated sulfuric acid, and the molecule can be written as OH SO3H. On heating, we get 2-chlorosulfonic acid. In this case, student, functional group is SO3H, and when SO3H is linked to benzene ring, it is called as benzene sulfonic acid. At second position, chlorine atom is present with respect to functional group. So the name is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which is a minor compound. Whereas if the para substitution occurs, then student, we get 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid as a major compound along with water molecule. Thus, student, we can conclude that haloarine molecule, when subjected to sulfonation, on heating, we get both, that is ortho and para isomers. But in this case also we are getting para substitution as a major product. Next, students, we shall now study about Fiedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as a catalyst to form ortho and para isomers. Let us understand this along with the reaction. When chlorobenzene is reacted with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous means the aluminum chloride is complete dry. No moisture is present. Anhydrous aluminum chloride acts as a catalyst. Then, student, we get ortho substituent as 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene, or benzene along with methyl group is called as the toluene molecule. And with respect to toluene, student, at ortho position, the presence of chlorine atom is there. So the name can be called as ortho-chloro-toluene molecule, and this is an ortho isomer. So it is a minor product. We also get, student, para isomer. In this case, the name is 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene molecule, IUPAC name, whereas common name, student, it is para-chloro-toluene molecule. And this para isomer is a major product. So we can conclude that in Fiedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, we are adding an alkyl group as an electrophile, student, is at ortho or para position in the presence of a catalyst as anhydrous aluminum chloride. Moving to the next reaction, Fiedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Chlorobenzene reacts with acyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride as a catalyst to form both ortho and para isomers. Let us understand this along with equation, student. When chlorobenzene is reacted with acetyl chloride, the name of the reagent is acetyl chloride, CH3COCl. Then, student, in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, we get 2-chloroacetophenone as a molecule. So the acetylation has occurred, student, with the removal of one hydrogen from the benzene ring, and this hydrogen combines with the Cl to form the byproduct as HCl molecule. But this acetyl group, CH3C double bond O, this acetyl group is added at ortho position. So it has been substituted at the ortho position then the name of the molecule is 2-chloroacetophenone molecule. Benzene ring with COCH3, it is called as acetophenone. At second position we are having chlorine atom. So the name is 2-chloroacetophenone, and this ortho isomer, student, it has to be minor product. Whereas the acetylation with respect to halogen as the chlorine atom, it can occur at para position even. So we get C double bond O CH3, that is acetyl group, at the para position as the product. Thus the name of the molecule, student, is 4-chloroacetophenone molecule. As it is a para isomer, it has to be major product. Thus, student, we can conclude that in Feldkraft acylation reaction, when haloarine molecule has been acetylated in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, we get both ortho and the para isomers. Thank you, students. In the next video, we shall study about reaction of haloarenes with metals and polyhalogen compounds. Thank you.